Look around in 2026. The streets are filled with people who look incredibly wealthy. But behind the designer logos and leased supercars is a terrifying secret. They don't actually own any of it. Worse, they are completely exposed. Welcome to the fake rich trap. A system designed to make you feel successful while leaving a giant target on your back for creditors, lawsuits, and the government. One mistake, and it all vanishes. But the truly wealthy, the quiet millionaires who have crossed the $1 million net worth tipping point play a completely different game. They have stopped buying liabilities, and they've started buying invisibility. Today, we are tearing apart the legal structures that separate the fake rich from the financially bulletproof, including the exact legal loophole billionaires use to control everything, while legally owning nothing. If your assets are still sitting in your personal name, you are playing Russian roulette with your wealth. Stick around for the bonus strategy at the end, because it's the one piece of paper that will save you. The biggest mistake the fake rich make is driven entirely by ego. They want their name on the deed. They want their name on the title of the business. They want the world to know what they own. But in the legal world, visibility equals vulnerability. When you hold luxury assets, real estate, or brokerage accounts in your personal name, they are fully reachable by creditors, divorce courts, and predatory lawsuits. The fake rich scale their lifestyle using personal guarantees. They sign away their future earnings to finance today's lifestyle. When the business dips or the market turns, the bank doesn't just take the car, they take the house. So the fake rich get slightly smarter. They set up a revocable living trust. They think they're safe. But here is the brutal truth. Irrevocable trust does absolutely nothing to protect you from creditors. Because you retain the right to revoke it, the law says you still control the assets. If you get sued, the judge simply orders you to revoke the trust and hand over the money. It avoids probate, but it does not protect your wealth. Real wealth requires you to sever the tie. You have to give up ownership to gain absolute control. This brings us to geographic arbitrage in 2026. Let's compare two millionaires. Millionaire A lives in Los Angeles. He owns a $3 million home in his name. In California, he is a walking ATM for frivolous litigation. The state knows what he has, and so does every lawyer. Now look at millionaire B. He controls a fortified, ultra-secure estate in South Africa. But millionaire B doesn't own that South African estate. It is owned by a domestic LLC, which is owned by a holding company, which is governed by an offshore trust. If someone tries to sue millionaire B, they will find absolutely nothing in his name. He is a financial ghost. This is the essence of stealth wealth. You isolate the liability. How do you actually build this? You start with ring fencing. The fake rich put all their rental properties and operating businesses into one bucket. If a tenant slips and falls on property A, the lawyer can take property B, C, and D. The wealthy use a strategy called one property, one LLC. They compartmentalize their wealth. Every asset sits in its own impenetrable vault. If one ship sinks, the rest of the fleet sails on. This separation of personal wealth from business liability is the foundational step of the $1 million tipping point. To truly step out of the fake rich matrix, you must understand the irrevocable trust. Unlike the revocable version we talked about earlier, once you place assets into an irrevocable trust, especially a domestic asset, protection trust, or a strong offshore jurisdiction, they are legally no longer yours. This is where the ego of the fake rich stops them. They cannot stomach the idea of not owning their money. But the strategists understand that ownership is just a legal fiction. You don't need to own the Ferrari. Your trust's LLC owns it, and you are simply the designated driver. You don't own the mega mansion. Your family office leases it to you. When the next financial crisis hits, or a predatory lawsuit targets you, your response is simple: I own nothing. You have successfully removed the target from your back. I promised you a bonus strategy, and it's the most unsexy yet critical piece of paper the wealthy buy. Before you can afford complex offshore trust structures, you need the ultimate stopgap: massive umbrella liability insurance. The fake rich buy $50,000 auto policies. The quietly wealthy buy $5 million personal umbrella policies. Why? Because when you are sued, an umbrella policy doesn't just pay out, it forces the insurance company's army of ruthless corporate lawyers to defend you. You are essentially hiring a billion-dollar legal team for a few $100 a month. In 2026, the gap between those who look rich and those who are actually wealthy is going to brutally widen. The fake rich are highly leveraged, entirely visible, and completely exposed. The truly wealthy are quietly shifting their capital into fortified structures, practicing geographic arbitrage and building moats around their families. If you want to know exactly how these billionaires are moving their money across borders and the specific assets they are hoarding right now, you need to watch this video next. Click here, and I'll see you inside.